In today's video, we're diving into a comparison between MailerLite and AWeber to figure out which one is truly the best for growing your email list. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, email marketing is crucial, and picking the right tool could make or break your strategy. Stick around till the end, because I'll also reveal a better alternative for the goal of growing your email list effectively, one that you might not have heard of yet. Let's get into it. First up, we have MailerLite. This tool is known for its simplicity and ease of use, which is perfect if you're just getting started with email marketing. One of the things MailerLite does really well is its free plan. You get access to a pretty generous set of features like email automation, landing pages, and sign-up forms without paying a cent. But here's the thing, while it's good for beginners, if you're looking for advanced features, MailerLite starts to show some limitations. The reporting tools are not as detailed as you might find in other platforms, and some of the automation workflows can feel a bit restrictive. Next thing, AWeber is a more established player in the email marketing space. It offers a wide variety of templates, an intuitive drag-and-drop editor, and a solid set of automation features. If you've been in the email marketing game for a while, AWeber might be more your speed. It offers more advanced segmentation and analytics compared to MailerLite, which can really help if you're trying to optimize your campaigns. However, there's a trade-off. AWeber is more expensive, and their free plan is limited to 500 subscribers, which could be restrictive for anyone looking to scale. Also, some users report that the platform can feel a bit outdated, especially in comparison to more modern tools. The third thing to consider is the integration options. Both MailerLite and AWeber integrate with many third-party tools, but MailerLite tends to have fewer integrations overall. If you rely heavily on integrations for things like CRM tools or e-commerce platforms, AWeber might be the better choice here. That said, MailerLite does have most of the essential integrations, so it's not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind depending on your tech stack. Now, let's talk about customer support. If you're new to email marketing, having responsive customer service is a must. MailerLite generally gets high marks for its customer support, especially considering the price point. AWeber, on the other hand, offers 24/7 support through chat, email, and phone, which is a nice bonus for those who need assistance at odd hours. However, some AWeber users have mentioned that response times can vary, and it can take a while to get detailed help on complex issues. Lastly, let's talk pricing. MailerLite's free plan offers a lot of value, but once you move to a paid plan, it's still relatively affordable, especially if you're just starting out. AWeber's pricing is on the higher side, especially if you need more advanced features. For small businesses or those just starting to grow their list, MailerLite might be the more budget-friendly option. So, which one is best for growing your email list? Well, both have their pros and cons, but after trying both myself, I'd recommend you consider insert competitor. It provides a much better experience for those looking to scale their list efficiently and effectively. It might have a learning curve, but it's well worth it when you see the results. The platforms I've mentioned here are great in their own right, but if you're serious about growing your email list and want to try something with even better features and a smoother experience, check out the first link in the description. You'll get access to a free trial with exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Trust me, this could be the game changer you've been looking for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.